The state capital is currently grappling with an alarming increase in criminal activities, with the latest event being a series of bomb attacks on Wednesday night. This incident has left the Commissionerate Police scrambling to maintain order and restore a sense of safety in the city. The bombings took place in the Kedarpalli slum of Bapuji Nagar, where two separate attacks were reported. One occurred on Kedarpalli Lane 1 and the other on Barahampur Street near Shishu Bhavan. Although the exact motive behind the bombings is yet to be determined, early reports suggest the attacks stemmed from an old enmity. According to local sources, a group of youths was gathered near Lane 1 when two masked men on a bike suddenly approached and threw bombs at them. Fortunately, the victims managed to flee the scene, narrowly escaping serious harm. However, a minor boy was injured and had to be rushed to Capital Hospital for treatment. The shocking attack was caught on a CCTV camera installed in the area, providing crucial evidence for the ongoing investigation. The police have formed a special team to apprehend the perpetrators, but as of now, no arrests have been made. It happened around 10:30 p.m. on September 18. I was in my shop when I heard about the incident. By the time I reached, my brothers and other neighbors had already been taken to the police station. We believe this was due to past enmity, shared a local resident. Another eyewitness recalled the terrifying moment. We were sitting and chilling when they suddenly appeared and threw bombs at us. There were two of them on a Pulsar 220 bike, both wearing masks. This incident has only heightened concerns about the rising crime rates in Temple City. In recent times, the city has seen an increase in criminal activities like house looting, chain snatching, and now bomb attacks. Just a few days ago, a group of youths was arrested for reckless driving and the blocking roads, adding to the growing list of offences. The wave of violence has left many citizens questioning their safety as they wait for the police to bring the culprits to justice. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.